Okay, so this video is going to show you how to use the if-else and then the while loop for the control statement. Okay. Actually, the way to use the if-else and then the while loop is also similar to what you have done with the C++. I suppose everyone right here should at least learn one programming language. Most likely it should be C++, because if you are an AUM computer science student, that is the prerequisite. Okay, so I suppose everyone right here knows C++. The way to use if-else statement is similar that you do in the C++. Okay, so let me show you. So here I'm going to create a new class for the if-else statement. If-else and loop. Okay, I'm going to do them together. So obviously, we still need the main function. So I just copy and paste the main function here. Okay. So I'll show you the if statement first. So here I determine a input, which is the age. Okay. And then I've asked the user to enter his age. So I will use a prompt dialog to show this message to the user. Please tell me your age. Okay. And what we are going to do next, we're going to use the scanner to scan the user input. We want to know the user's age, right? And then age equal to a scanner dot next integer. So I suppose that the age will be an integer. And right now we can use the if statement to do some judgment. So if age is less than 0, that is not possible, obviously. Okay. And we just say system dot error dot out dot print the number you enter was not valid. It's not a valid age. Else, right? Similar to the C++, else if age is less than 21. Okay, in the United States, you need to be at least 21 in order to drink. If age is less than 21, we just say you can't drink. Okay, very simple. And we also need to do some more check. For example, age is greater than or equal to 21 and less than age. Use this if you want to have a multiple condition. Use the AND logical operator. It is exactly the same as C++. Age is less than 80. Then we'll say you can drink. Okay, so if you are older than 80, then we'll say you can drink, but we don't recommend it. Okay, so we can just run this program and test out the if-else statement. So here, enter your age. Say, oh, I'm 18. I think I can drink, but actually you cannot. Okay. And if you want to run the application again and do one more check, say, okay, your age, say I'm 78, you can drink. Okay. But you may realize that every time if I want to check another age, I need to execute the program. So why not we just like add a while loop there, and then let the user to enter the age multiple times without exiting the program. So in this case, we can add a loop. So how many times you want the loop to be executed? So we can determine the number of loops equal to 10. Let's make it like 10 times, okay? So there's like two different kinds of loops that you can use. The first one is like a while loop. So while the number of loops, let's just like create an index, okay, I equal to 0. So when I is still less than number of loops, then we just keep the program running. Okay. And at the last of every round of the loop, we increase the value of I. Okay. So in this case, the whole program will be executed 10 times. So for the demo, maybe I just need reduce the number to 3. Okay. Give me one moment. So here, tell me your age. So 18. You can't drink. Something wrong right here. Okay, so the loop actually should include the codes right here, because we also need to ask the age every round. Okay, so I just like put the codes, put the scanner codes inside the loop. Okay. For this line of code, we can move it outside because the initialization can be done outside of the loop, the initialization of the scanner. Okay, so we can run it again. Okay, first round, 18. You can drink, and then type my age, 81. You can drink, but I don't recommend, and type 21. You can drink, and the program is finished. Okay, you can also change this one to for loop as well. Okay, so for the for loop, the usage of the for loop is similar to C++. So I can have like a index, the counter. Okay, give the initial value of the counter, give the condition of the counter, and then give the increment of the counter. I++, then we can remove I++ like right here, and then run the application again. Okay, same thing. Okay, the program asset. All right, so that's it for the Java part. So because this course is for the graduate students, I suppose that for the graduate student, all of you should have skills to learn a new language. Okay, so for the graduate student, there won't be any specific course for other programming language other than the C++. So in some courses, you have to learn other programming language by yourself. Here, I can show you some website for you to learn this new language in a quicker way. Give me one moment. So you can get it from this website. If you go to our Blackboard, you should be able to see the link that I provided. DBLearned, that's our Blackboard website. And I remember I provided several links for you to learn the new language there. So you can also use the link to learn the Java and other language that you need for this class. Okay. Just go to week 1 and go to the materials here. So you'll be able to see the link right here. Okay. I believe that after you go over every example in this link, you should be able to obtain the skills of Java. A lot of the feature is shared with C++ as well. Okay, so that's it for this video. Let's see in the next video.